Good morning, class 3rd. Today we are going to complete exercise time of chapter 6, Leaves in Our Lives. So students, open page number 38 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you. So here you can see A. Give two examples of plants with. So first, even edges leaves are mango and banana. Second, leaves with peculiar smell are curry leaves, curry, and mint, mint leaves. Third, leaves with medicinal value are neem, NEEM, and tulsi, TULSI. Fourth, leaves that are eaten by man are spinach, SPINACH, and coriander, CORIANDER. Fifth, leaves that add flavor to food are curry, CURRY, and coriander, CORIANDER. Now B. Fill in the blanks. So first, the leaves of dhak tree, THAK, dhak tree, TREE, are used as a plate to serve food. Second, people, PEEPAL, leaves are triangular in shape. Third, lotus, LOTUS, leaves are round. Fourth, dried fallen leaves can be used to make compost, COMPOST. Fifth, the green color of leaves is due to the presence of chlorophyll, CHLOROPHYLL, chlorophyll. Now take the correct answer. So first, colored leaves are croton. So tick on croton. Second, leaves that are used to make a drink are tea leaves. So tick on tea. Third, leaves with a peculiar smell are mint leaves. So tick on mint. Fourth, leaves with uneven edges are rose leaves. So tick on rose. Fifth, needle-shaped leaves are pine leaves. So tick on pine, PINE, pine. Now open page number 39. Here you can see E part of exercise time. Complete the flow charts, parts of our leaves. So first part is leaf blade, LEAF BLADE, leaf blade. Second, leaf stalk, LEAFSTALK, main leaves, MAIN, main, VEIN, side vein, SIDE, side, VEIN, and stomata. Now shape of leaves. So lotus leaves are round in shape. Guava are oval in shape. Pine leaves are needle in shape. Peepal leaves are in triangular shape, PINE, pine, and PEEPAL, people. And cactus leaves are in the form of spines, SPINES. Now you have to do question answers of this chapter. So first you have to write hard words with the meanings, and after it you have to complete question answers of chapter 6. So you have to do this work in your copy, in your EVS copy, and you have to do exercises in your book, not in your copy. So here you can see date, mention today's date, classwork, chapter number. So chapter number is 6. Name of the chapter is Leaves in Our Lives, hard words with the meanings. So first is texture means structure. Second, spelling of texture, texture, and spelling of structure, structure. Second, picture, pitcher means pale, PAIL. Third, edges, EDGES means the outline limit of object, THE. The outline, OUTLINE, limit, LIMIT of object, OBJECT. Fourth, jagged, JAGGED means toothed, TOOTHED. Fifth, peculiar, PECULIAR means odd or unique, ODD odd, or OR unique, UNIQUE. 6. Textile, TEXTILE means clothes, CLOTH. 7. Compost, COMPOST means vegetable waste, VEGETABLE waste, WASTE. 8th is fertilizer, FERTILIZER means liquid manure, LIQUID liquid manure, MANURE. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. When do trees shed their leaves? So its answer, most, MOST, trees, TREES. Trees shed their leaves once a year. Some trees shed leaves before, BEFORE, before winter, and some after winter. Question number 2. How do leaves differ from each other? Give one example of each kind of leaf. So its answer, leaves are different shapes. Some plants like lotus, LOTUS, have round leaves. Guava leaves are oval. Eucalyptus leaves are long. Peepal leaves are triangular, TRIANGULAR, and pine leaves are needle shaped. Now the question 3. Write 5 ways in which leaves are useful to us. So its answer, leaves are useful to make dyes, DYES, to add flavor in food, to make medicines, to serve food, and to make roofs, ROOFS, of huts, HUTS. Question 4. Why do trees in cold places lose their leaves in autumn? So its answer, trees in cold places loses their leaves in autumn to reduce, REDUCE, reduce their need for water. So students, that's all for today. Now you have completed your chapter 6. In the next class, we will start chapter 7. So thank you class.